Did you know a simple red brick church in Montgomery, Alabama changed the course of American history forever? The Dexter Avenue King Memorial Baptist Church looks modest from the outside, but this was where a 26-year-old pastor named Martin Luther King Jr. received his first assignment in 1954. Nobody knew this young minister would soon organize one of the most powerful protests in civil rights history. It started with the Montgomery bus boycott in December 1955. But there was one moment that almost ended everything before it began. At midnight, King received a threatening phone call at his home, warning him to leave town or face deadly consequences. Sitting alone at his kitchen table, he nearly quit. Then something happened, a moment he later called his spiritual awakening. He found the strength to continue. From this exact church, King led the boycott for 381 days. Bus segregation finally ended, and the civil rights movement was born. Today, you can visit this historic church and stand where it all began.